Yo, what is Gucci, my Breadflakes viewers? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video on this channel, and this video is a very special one because it is my 22nd birthday. It is April 22nd and I'm turning 22, so I thought that was pretty cool. That's like a once in a lifetime thing, 22 on the 22nd, so that's super awesome to me. And then also I just wanted to give you guys a big shout out for the support, so thank you guys for all the support you've given to me along the way. I know I haven't been really consistent as far as videos go, but your boy's working on it, man. I'm trying to push out as much as I can when I have the time and I'm not too tired and stuff like that from work. I do go to school and work full-time, so that's why you guys barely see me on here, but I do try to post when I can. But yeah, so it is my 22nd birthday. Sorry for talking too much, but I wanted to do an unboxing because I did purchase a very special shoe, and I've had this box for about 2 weeks now and I haven't opened it because I wanted it to open, or I wanted to open it on this day, my birthday, because I bought this for myself on my birthday. So we're gonna open this today. If you guys can guess what it is, leave a comment down below, but I'm very excited to open this and see how it looks like in person in my hand. It's my personal pair. And I did pay a good amount of money for this damn shoe. If I'm talking a lot, but yeah, so let's just hop into this. Hop. Man, I'm excited. It's been 2 weeks I've had this. So if you guys are wondering the price I paid, I did pay $573 after everything. I have to pay off my credit card. I know, family members, if you're watching this, I hope you understand because this shoe is just so beautiful. But I did pay $570 after taxes and after shipping for this shoe, and the price went up to about $700 now. As you guys can see, the box, it has the corduroy on it, the freaking design on the box. Okay, I'm not even, the box is so nice, like it's different from a regular Nike box. I'm pretty bummed out that this one is smashed. So StockX, maybe, you know, take care of your boxes, or whoever shipped it to StockX, but it's okay, it's just the box. I'm sure the shoes are fine, but you guys can see the corduroy on the box. It does feel different, and you have, oh wait, this is my stuff right here. Let me take this out. $573 is what I paid. That's the info right there. And then you got more air. Freaking, oh man, I'm pissed about this box, but it's whatever. You guys can see little creases on the box. StockX tags. Oh god, I'm excited. I haven't seen these in person other than on feet. Oh man, these are so fucking sexy, bro. No way. Oh wait, I actually did see these in person. My aunt or my cousin or whatever, she did have them. Okay, I did see these in person in a size 7 at the time, but dang, man. God. Alright you guys, so I'm trying to like untie these and stuff, but I don't know where this video is going, and I just wanted to show you guys that I did pick these up for my birthday for myself. But the one thing I really love about this whole thing was the campaign of the shoe. The round 2 episode was super sick. Like, everybody was giving out cards from the van, and then like if you had the card, you won the shoe at Kith, New York. So that's super sick, and like this shoe is just beautiful. Like, it means a lot to the sneaker community. I feel like if you like vintage stuff, it does mean a lot to you as well. But round 2 is just such a super sick store, and I really appreciate what they do for the culture. You can buy, sell, trade. They have really nice stuff over there, I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not trying to like gas them up or anything, but the whole concept of this shoe and what it means behind Sean, not even to me because it's just the shoe that he created, but like the whole story behind this shoe is super sick. So shout out to Sean for what he did and the whole campaign and everything for these. These are mad insane. I cannot wait to wear them. The box is crazy, the patches are crazy, the insole is freaking velour crazy. And boy, oh man, I want to wear these today, but I don't. I had the Yeezy blushes, I was gonna wear those today, but we'll try. Ah man, these fit perfectly too. I'm happy I went a size 9.5. God, bro, happy birthday to myself, Poe. I don't even know what I said. I was about to say cuz, but my girlfriend doesn't like when I say that, so you know, what up, cuz? I'm just playing. Yeah, so what the hell? I don't know where this video is going, bro. I'm just really hyped. this is crazy. I'm happy I have these. It's nice to have these. I am going to LA at the end of the month, so I'm gonna have Sean sign the box just because I feel like it's a super cool thing to have him sign. Pedro wants his to be signed like on the sole. Pedro, you're crazy, bro, but you know, you do your thing. But God, bro, God, oh God, these are life-changing, man. I got one. Like, just look at the colors. Look at them. I always do this. This is like my signature thing to do in my videos. Just throw it up off feet and do this. Like, look at this on feet video. But alright, you guys, so I just wanted to really make this a reaction video to me unboxing a shoe that I really wanted. I really wanted to add this shoe in my collection, and it's really nice to have. So shout out to Sean and Round 2 and what they did with this shoe, and for those who like put in their input and stuff like that. The story behind the shoe and the whole like store and stuff like that makes me appreciate the grind and, you know, the journey of life and stuff like that. I don't really mean to sound like a Round 2 groupie or a Sean Weatherspoon groupie, but it's super cool with what he did. So shout out to this shoe, and you know, everybody who got it. If you guys want to like buy it, I would say like purchase it. I mean, I sold all my Supreme stuff that I had sitting around just to pay for this shoe, and it was worth the investment. So yeah, so shout out to this shoe and Nike and Sean as well. So I'm very hyped to have this, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. I appreciate you guys' support. Go ahead and check out all the links down below, which is the vlog channel. I did post a couple of vlogs, which are the Portland vlogs, so go ahead and check that out. And then also I have a Nike employee store video in the edit mix right now, and then I have to post this video as well. So hit up all the links down below and hit that thumbs up button for me. If you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe as well. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a good one. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. It's my birthday and I spoiled myself. $600 on a damn shoe. Damn! Alright, bye. Peace.